Discover the ultimate water activities in Labuan Bajo, where you can enjoy everything from relaxing boat rides to adrenaline-pumping water sports. Whether you're looking for excitement or relaxation, Labuan Bajo has it all. Rangko Cave and Beach Snorkeling Half-Day Sharing Trip. Experience a half-day adventure in Labuan Bajo, featuring exhilarating activities that will captivate both novice and seasoned explorers alike. Upon arrival, guests depart from their hotel for a picturesque start, with a breathtaking panoramic view of Amelia Hill. Following this, a scenic drive takes them through Labuan Bajo's stunning coastline, offering sweeping ocean vistas as they proceed towards Rangko village. Upon reaching Rangko village, guests embark on a wooden boat journey to Bowling Beach, where they can immerse themselves in a serene setting, with unparalleled panoramic ocean views. The morning concludes with swimming and snorkeling experiences at Bowling Beach, followed by an engaging session inside the Rangko Cave, which offers a unique underwater exploration experience. Afterward, they make their way back to Rangko village before heading back to Labuan Bajo. In the afternoon, guests again set off from their hotel, embarking on a similar route but with different destinations. They first visit Rangko village to enjoy the same mesmerizing ocean view, then take a wooden boat ride to the Rangko cave. Next, they engage in swimming sessions within the cave, followed by another day of snorkeling at Bowling Beach, known for its exceptional conditions. The evening culminates with a spectacular sunset viewing from Amelia Hill, providing guests with a memorable end to their adventurous day. This unforgettable experience promises an enriching and captivating half-day adventure in Labuan Bajo. Full-day tour Komodo Island with sharing Speedboat. Thank you for considering our invitation to embark upon this enriching journey. Our itinerary commences with an approximate duration of 10 to 11 hours, commencing at 7:00 a.m. from Labuan Bajo. We shall meet you at the hotel lobby by 6:00 or 6:30 a.m., ensuring that you have consumed breakfast prior to embarking on this delightful adventure. 630 pickup on harbor from your hotel. Transportation minivan. 700 check-in. 800 start to Padar Island. Transportation speedboat. 809,000 on the spot hike on Padar Island. 1015 trip to Long Beach. Transportation speedboat. 1015 adventured 15 Long Beach swimming and photography. 1130 Long Beach Ilian Island, Komodo Island. Transportation speedboat. 131,000. 1200 tracking Komodo route. 1200 extend lunch in Komodo Island. 1330 trip to Taka Makassar, passing Pink Beach. Transportation speedboat. 1330-1410 Taka Makassar taking photos and swimming. 1014-15 Taka Makassar J Manta Point. Transportation speedboat. 1415-1435 Manta Point taking photos and observing manta rays. 1435-1500 Manta Point Yue, Kanawa Island. Transportation speedboat. 1500-1600 Kanawa Island snorkeling and swimming. 1615 Kanawa Island Labuan Bajo. Transportation speedboat. 1615-1645 checkout. Transportation minivan. 1645-1730 drop off to hotel. Transportation minivan. Please note that these times are subject to adjustment based on prevailing conditions, and they remain non-binding. Labuan Bajo. Day tour Komodo Island with Fastboat. Our team will pick you up from any hotel in Labuan Bajo and promptly transport you to the port, ensuring a seamless journey to the designated speedboat. Following the welcoming brief, we'll embark on a thrilling voyage to Padar Island. As you traverse Padar Island, revel in the panoramic vistas from its elevated vantage point. This unique location offers an unparalleled opportunity to capture stunning Instagram-worthy moments. Upon reaching Padar Island, we invite you to explore the lush landscapes and mesmerizing sea views, framed by a secluded coastline. Our expert tour guide will lead you through a captivating trek, offering insights into the flora and fauna of this enchanting destination. Leaving Padar Island, we proceed to Komodo Island, where you'll embark on a guided trek to observe Komodo dragons in their natural habitat. These ancient reptiles are the oldest known living lizards, making them a fascinating subject of study. As you continue your journey, we depart from Komodo Island toward Pink Beach Beach, a picturesque stretch of land dotted with white and pink sand. The azure waters meet emerald hills and a striking blue sky, creating a breathtaking visual spectacle. Our knowledgeable guides will accompany you as you engage in leisurely swims, serene snorkeling excursions, or simply relaxing under the warm sun. Lunch is served en route to Manta Point, a tranquil spot featuring a small boomerang-shaped island surrounded by smooth white sands. This gem invites visitors to immerse themselves in the serene ambience, where calm waves from opposite directions create a sense of floating tranquility. Venturing further, you'll arrive at Manta Point, the ideal location to witness the graceful presence of manta rays. Your quest for these magnificent creatures awaits. Remember to keep your camera handy. To conclude your adventure, we'll escort you to Kanawa Island, renowned for its vibrant coral reefs and crystal clear waters. Here, you'll find the perfect setting for diving enthusiasts to explore the underwater world.